Time was rolling by at such a pleasant pace, not slow but not as fast as it does now. The world was there for me to see as soon as I had time, never spared a thought for where or when or how. Then someone said the party's ending soon, we'll all be heading home. It stopped me in my tracks to know they're right. All my hurrying and worrying and hubris was shown in a sudden and cruel fluorescent light.
Wondering what we passed before, I guess we'll never know. It's getting harder to ignore the piles of falling snow. What happens when you slam the brakes? Does time come to a jolt? I feel myself fly away in the story I foretold.
I just need to breathe in the morning air, feel the rising sun upon my face. I must be free, it's more than I can bear, to keep up with your never-ending race. It's funny how we think it all operates. Mostly we haven't got a clue. The days we spend so frantically, and the nights we spend alone, saying I'm sorry, there's just too much to do.
My mind is locked in straight ahead. So long since I touched my bed, I can't shut out the demon sleeping down, down, down.
I just need to breathe in the morning air, feel the rising sun upon my face. I must be free, it's more than